Hey guys, Murray here. I just wanted to record a quick video for you, just a simple tutorial on how to generate a like button with FansFlood. In this video I'm going to give you a pretty simple example of how to generate a like button that reveals a download or a PDF report or some kind of cool exclusive content that your visitors might really be interested in having. Two things that you're going to need to have before you generate this button are, first you have to have the content itself, the report or the download or the whatever it is that you're going to offer, and you have to know its URL. In other words, you have to know where what its website address is so that you can paste it into the page, and then it can generate the button properly and deliver the content to the user. So if you don't have those two pieces of information, then hit pause now and go and get that information and then come back and then continue. So I'll take you through how to generate the button here on the page. This is what you see the first time you come into FansFlood. So this is where you generate your like button itself. So step one is where you put in the wording or the content that gets revealed after the person clicks, after the visitor clicks on the like button. So it's going to be something like, thanks for clicking, or thanks for liking our page. Here's the cool piece of content that I promised you. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in so you can see what I'm doing and how I create the button. So here we go. Thanks for page. Here's the cool piece of content I promised. So you can type as much or as little as you want. You can just put the link there by itself. You can do whatever you can imagine you can put in here. So I'm going to just highlight this, and I'm going to click on the hyperlink, insert hyperlink button here. And the reason why is I want to turn this piece of text into a link, which will link the visitors directly to the content that I've promised them. So I'll click that. Here is where I enter the URL or the website address for the document or the content that I promised. So I'm going to assume that you know what that is, so you can just type that in. So I'll just type in www.mywebsite.com/report.pdf. Right, so yours will obviously be, you'll enter your own website domain in there, so it'll be your own blog or your own site, and then on the end after the slash you'll have your own PDF or your own spreadsheet, or whatever the file is you're giving them. So you'll put that in and then hit OK. And then you'll see that in the editor it's turned that link blue. So once people click on the like button on the page, this is the exact thing they will see, thanking them for liking the page and giving them the link. So it's immediate gratification. In a way, it gives them the link that they're expecting. So step two is, what page do you want the user to like? So in most cases this will be either the front page of your website, or the blog or the article that they're currently reading, or it could be your Facebook fan page or your Facebook business page, depending on whether you're a business or you're a creative artist or whatever what you're doing on Facebook. I'm going to enter in my own sort of business's website, and you should enter in whatever is the page you want people to like. So don't forget that this is the URL that's going to come up on the timeline in Facebook of the person that clicked. So if I come along and click on your like button, this is the URL in this field is what will come up on my Facebook timeline. So my friends are going to see this, and my friends are going to click through, and this is the page that all the viral traffic will come to. So make sure you enter the website address where you want the viral traffic to come. Okay, so mywebsite.com. So as I said, it could be my Facebook fan page, or my own an order form for a product I'm selling. If you want to direct traffic to like a product sales page, it can be whatever you like. So at the moment I just put in mywebsite.com, and step three is give the button a name so that you can find it later. So cool, so I'm going to call this thanks for liking the page. Actually, no, I'll call it front page button, because this is going to be on the front page of my site, so I'll just make it easier to find the button later on. So I'm going to go ahead and generate that button. Alright, so you'll see now that the FansFlood panel has opened up, and it says your FansFlood buttons, and here it's got the link for the button that you just, or the code for the button you just generated. So what you want to do is go ahead and click into that field and copy it using Control-C or Command-C if you're on a Mac to copy that code to your clipboard. And once you've done that, then come over to your website editor or however you edit your website. In this video, I'm going to do it through WordPress, because a lot of people use WordPress, so it's fairly common. And I'm going to show you how to enter that into a post so that you can generate your like button. So I'm going to click through to WordPress and generate I'm going to add a new post. So test. I'll just call this test post for the moment. And I'm going to just Command V or Control V from a PC. That script, that code that you copied directly into the document. So I'll hit that. I'll hit publish. Okay, so that's saved my post. Now if I click through to view post and open that page in my browser, you'll see that. Okay, so I've opened my post and it's generated me that like button. If I now click on this like button, you'll see that the text that I entered into the editor before will come up, and I'll be able to get my download. So if I click like, it says, "Thanks for liking our page. Here's the cool piece of content I promised." So if I were to go and click on that link, that's fairly obvious and easy. And if you have any questions, give us an email and I'll try to help. Okay.